Hi there, this is a CyberGhost 3-minute speed review by TheBestVPN.com, so let's not waste any time and get right to it. CyberGhost is a Romanian VPN provider which was founded in 2011 and is being operated by a team of 55 people. Their network spans over 30 countries with over 1,000 different servers and has a user base of more than 15 million users. It's compatible with most devices and you can easily connect your Windows, Android or iOS device. And if you know what you're doing, you can also connect your Linux devices and routers. On to pricing. Currently they offer 3 different options. Monthly option for $11.99 a month, 1-year option for $5.99 a month, or a 2-year option for $3.50 a month, which are relatively cheap prices. All those options come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And even better feature is, you can try the VPN for free. You get a free 7-day trial, and the best part is you don't have to give any information, only your email address. It took me less than 5 minutes from going to their homepage to a fully working Windows client. And if you decide to get premium, they support all the main payment options such as credit card, PayPal and Bitcoin, as well as a bunch of others. From security side, they offer the best. AES 256-bit encryption. They claim that they keep no logs whatsoever, but it should be taken with a grain of salt because there is no way of really testing it. And now on to speed. For this I use speedtest.net. I took the test with 3 different locations and unfortunately the results are quite bad. Although the speeds were sufficient enough for me to not get frustrated online, I did see some extra loading times, especially with the Hong Kong server. The client itself is very straightforward and easy to use. They have these big Windows 8-like boxes from which you can choose your VPN purpose, and then it will automatically choose the best server for you. Or you can manually choose a country and a server. If you're interested in accessing geo-restricted content, then I have some good news for you. They have a super awesome feature on the client called Unplug Streaming, which lets you select your desired stream and then will choose automatically the best server for you. And same goes for torrenting. Both work quite well and are very easy to use. So is CyberGhost worth using? I'd say yes. There are better options out there, but for that affordable price it's good. Just be patient, because there might be some speed issues. If you wish to know more about CyberGhost, read our more in-depth article at TheBestVPN.com. Thanks for watching and have a good one.